Welcome to my vlog. My eyes look so red.
Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog! Kahit hindi vlog, I just wanted to do a voiceover. Matry lang kasi this is first time. So sana hindi kayo makatulog sa boses ko. Kasi wala lang. Nakakaantok talaga yung boses ko. But anyway, let me tour you around Shanghai, China. We went here for work ng ilang araw din. Mga siguro 1 week. And one of the highlight ng Shanghai, China is yung pagkain nila because ang sarap. So, ito is si Grandma Veggie. Ito, hindi ko alam yung pangalan. Ito, the shrimp and the river fish. Tapos si Grandma Pork. So, hindi ko alam. Pero most dishes here, may mga grandma yung ibang pangalan because may history yun. So, i-research na lang kasi hindi ko alam. So, after that, naglakad kami dito sa area. Wherein yung area talaga nila malinis. As you can see naman dito sa video. Kinabukasan pumunta kami sa isang local noodles restaurant. Tapos ang sarap ng noodles nila. Ang sarap ng soup nila. Tapos yung soft drinks na yun is parang lasa siyang Infanta. Alam nyo yun kung batang 90s kayo, yung Infanta is so good. I met these beautiful ladies from different country. And yan, for work to. Hello to everyone. At isa to sa mga dessert nila dito. Nung tinikman ko, lasa siyang mais na merong soup pero mainit siya na matamis. So you know that parang si Shanghai, China is mostly yung mga dessert nila mainit. Ang weird pero hindi ko siya, not the typical Filipino dessert na gusto natin, like yung mga malalamig at saka yung mga madaming rekado na matatamis. But super panalo ang Shanghai sa mga Instagrammable places katulad ng nakita niya kanina. And this one is one of the famous places in Shanghai kasi nandito yung Starbucks Reserve na isa sa pinakamalaki sa Asia. So when you go inside, sobrang lawak and ang dami nilang kuchi-kuchi. Yung kuchi-kuchi, marami silang abubot na binabenta, and at the same time, surprisingly, hindi ko din alam kung bakit, pero most coffee shops here, yung mga coffee nila may kasamang beer. So, beer with coffee siya. So, try nyo yon kung gusto nyo siyang tikman. Pero, mostly, madami talagang coffee shops na nag-offer ng ganun. And since I don't have much video, so, ginagawa ko, nagbe-video lang ako sa mirror para naman may remembrance tayo. Pero, wala lang talaga akong choice, kaya ganun. And during nighttime, ang ganda-ganda ng daanan nila. So clean, so good, and most of their cars are electric, so less pollution talaga. Parang never ako nag-mask dito pag lalabas kami. Unlike in Manila, kailangan lagi ka naka-mask kapag medyo ayaw mo ng usok or ng pollution. But surprisingly, yung point of view natin, or my point of view na lang, yung mga nababasa ko online and whatever I watch online then is really different from my experience because sobrang ganda ng Shanghai. Yun lang masasabi ko. The people are nice, the people are kind. It's just that if you want to visit Shanghai, you need a local tourist guide para hindi ka mahirapan to communicate with people kasi most of them really don't talk English. For example, I will order coffee sa Starbucks, pero yun nga, sometimes kailangan mong isenyas o kaya kailangan mo gumamit ng translator app, or maybe kung may kilala ka na local, you have to ask help from them because again, it's really hard to some na mag-speak ng English, so may communication barrier talaga. But so far, so good naman. Wala namang ibang problem. The people are nice and they are very friendly to people then. So, dito, we went to a local souvenir shop. So, hindi ko alam na dito pala galing yung White Rabbit. Meron silang red bean flavor, durian, may coffee, and yung classic. And marami pang iba, pero hindi ko na kasi nakita. And in this area, pwede kang makabila ng mga different local souvenirs nila. Parang ang dami nilang mga teapot, mga tea. Meron din silang cigarette na walang nicotine. Yung parang tea, pwede mo siyang gawing tea kung ayaw mo ng cigarette. But again, it's so good. Parang lahat ng makikita mo dito is kakaiba, not the usual souvenir that you get to see sa ibang travel destinations. It's like you are living in a different world. pag pumunta ka ng Shanghai because they are very progressive and they have their own, parang they are embracing their own. So, eto naman, we are at the 50th floor ng Novotel. So, revolving restaurant siya. Akala ko nung una, lumilindol. Ayun pala, umiikot lang pala talaga kami habang kumakain. And, this is Tani from Thailand. We went na sa airport kasi pauwi na kami nito. Tapos na yung trabaho namin for a week. And, kita nyo naman sa video ang linis and walang traffic sa Shanghai. Everything is so good so far, and as you can see, ang linis ng airport nila. And later on, you will see a different glimpse of the airport kasi since nga digital na sila dito most of the time, yung mga payment channels na nila are WePay or Alipay, yung parang Maya natin or GCash natin dito. Most of them don't carry cash anymore, and some of the cards na meron tayo dito sa Philippines or sa ibang bansa is hindi talaga tinatanggap doon. So might as well have cash with you or just use WeChat or WePay or Alipay kasi yun nga, mahirap pag wala kang dala. And yun lang, so far so good. Until my next one.